Hi, I am Yogesh. I am from Bangalore, India. I want to take this opportunity to introduce you to my new venture called Creopus.ai Private Limited. I was by profession an electronics engineer. For 10 years, I worked at Honeywell Aerospace, and for 6 years, I worked at Ultraviolet Automotive. At Honeywell, I was involved in the development of display backlights for RMU units and working on multifunction display units and bleed-in monitor systems, platforms from made of quad-core processors, DDR memories, PCI Express, AMD graphics card, etc. At Ultraviolet, I was involved in the design, development, production of lithium-ion battery packs for their performance two-wheeler. Over 16 years of experience, what I realized was it is not possible for a electronics engineer or any hardware engineer to do all the tasks that are involved in designing and developing of a product. Most of the times they are pulled into one or the other activity apart from their main focus of design and development. So what happens in a real world scenario, in a practical work environment, is an engineer needs to provide the schedule to program managers, and they need to submit documentation for the quality team and for coordination between the software team and the mechanical engineering team, thermal team, and simulation team, and so on. So there is so the engineer is basically getting pulled in all the different directions. So in terms of version control for all the artifacts that hardware engineers produce, there is not much in the industry. So what happens is because of all of this inefficiencies, it is truly not possible to do justice to the work that we do in terms of the selecting of the components, testing them thoroughly, and finding the best design for solving a given problem. So after 16 years of working in the industry, I decided that I need to move on and start a company where I can utilize my creativity and interests in developing novel and useful products for the industry. So that is the background under which I have built this company called Creopus.ai Private Limited. So it's a SaaS platform which provides hardware engineers with the tools that are required to design, develop, and produce the hardware products. So to start with, we have released tools for requirement specification, flowchart generation, Pew matrix, SWOT analysis, DFMEA, design verification planning and report, BOM generation, and PCB quotation requesting, and with many more tools in the pipeline to come in the future. So all the tools employ a common structure of providing a simplified GitHub style of version controlling. And all of the tools are AI powered, so they will act like a jump start to get started with your design and development. And apart from being able to generate these artifacts using AI, you can also individually edit them, edit each and every item in the artifacts, delete them, or you can add them. You can also maintain a document info associated with each artifact. Apart from using these tools to create artifacts, these artifacts can be grouped under products. These products which contain several artifacts, they can also be shared with other people on the inbuilt marketplace in the platform. Please go to Creopus.ai, Creopus.ai, and try our tools, and please provide your feedback. We will try our best to improve our products and make them very useful to you. Thank you.